And then there's something called interferon. Interferon is that when a healthy body cell, they are infected by a pathogen, virus, bacteria, doesn't matter. Then what happened? The cell is dying, they got the infection. What will happen? The cell will send out interferon. It's like a signaling molecule. It's like a type of cytokine. It's a cell-to-cell signaling molecule. Then the interferon will go to other healthy cell. Remember, interferon is produced by the infected body cell. And then the interferon will go to other healthy body cell, bind to the healthy body cell. Basically, it tells the healthy body cell that, okay, this is the information of the pathogen. Then the healthy body cell receives the interferon, then they will start to make something called inhibiting protein inside the body cell. So that when the same pathogen infect other body cell that already get the interferon, they already get the message, okay? Then when the pathogen go into the healthy body cell already form the inhibiting protein that can attack the pathogen, the same pathogen. So it is to warn the non-infected cell. Well, I have a personal experience for that. I was born in Hong Kong, and Hong Kong used to be a British colony, so we get all the vaccine from UK. And then the medicine from UK, they're pretty good. One of the vaccine that we got is the tuberculosis vaccine. We all got the tuberculosis vaccine from UK. And then when I came to the US, whenever I go to a school, I told you I went to a community college before, they all tell me, okay, you need to get a TB skin test. So I get a TB skin test, and then because I have the vaccine, my TB skin test is always positive. And then after this, what do they tell me to do? Oh, go to take an X-ray. X-ray see that, okay, my chest X-ray is clear. And then that's okay. Then after I transfer to a university, then do the same thing. When I go to graduate school, and then I have to do the same thing. When I go to do my postdoc in a different university, then I have to do the same thing. Now when I start teaching in different colleges, and I have to do the same thing in the different colleges. So actually, there's one time the nurse who see my positive TB skin test and she actually saw my clear chest X-ray. She suggested, well, you should still take the antibiotics because she said that, well, even though you don't have any, your chest X-ray is clear, suggesting there's no scarring tissue formed in your chest, you may still need to take the antibiotic because the bacteria, the tuberculosis bacteria, they may be hiding or sleeping inside your body cell. So, but I refused to take it because my parent told me that, oh, you have never had tuberculosis before. So, because of this reason, I returned to, I saw a doctor. He was a medical school professor from UCLA. He heard my story. He knows what's the issue. So instead of giving me the TB skin test and chest X-ray and write a doctor's letter to certify that I'm healthy, he told me to do something called interferon gamma test. Blood test. A blood test. He draw blood from me from my body and then send it to the lab. And then to basically they want to analyze if my blood has any interferon generated by the TB infected cell. So in other words, if I really have TB infection before, or right now the TB, they are just sleeping or hiding in my body cell, then my body cell will secrete interferon gamma to warn other healthy body cell that what happened in my body. So the laboratory result is that, oh, I'm negative. and I don't have any interferon gamma from the TB infection, suggesting two things. One, I've never had TB infection in my whole life. Two, I have no dormant or I have no TB bacteria sleeping in my body cell. So in the future, whenever I go to a new school, they ask me for TB skin test, then I'll just show them this UCLA lab result certifying that I do not have TB interferon in my blood. So this is the interferon. I told this personal example to many of my physiology students. Some of them, they are also born in a foreign country. They also have the same experience. They got the TB vaccine many years ago, and they also have the TB positive skin test all the time. So it is like example, for students who are born from different country and receive TB vaccine, you can do the same thing. To get the interferon gamma test done, then you get the printout from the lab result, then you can use that instead of getting the TB skin test and X-ray every time you go to a new school.